Hey everyone, Trina here, back with day 28 of 100 Day Project. Today we're going to be working again with some ink, and then we're also going to play with the set of embossing tools that I got to see if we can make some transfers with it. Let's get started. First thing, I'm going to wet down the paper with a little bit of water. Somewhat clean water today. Just a little bit of blue tint to it. So I really like the way that ink flows with the water, the damp paper. Okay. Okay, let's put some ink down. And let it do its thing. Okay, let's come in with color shaper first, and then we'll come in with probably a palette knife. Exciting news, I bought a new jelly plate, or ordered a new jelly plate, and hopefully it will be here this evening. It's by Gel Elf. They are a new company. They sell on Temu, but I bought it off Amazon because I wanted it quicker. And I'm trying not to support Temu that much, but everything's so cheap. Okay. I like what's going on here. Let's add some marks going through here. Oh, I don't like that. I'm gonna try not to get this too dark today. I've been in a very dark mood. Apologies for darkness. But I think deep down at heart, I am a dark and moody girl. That's just who I am. Embrace it, right? I like drama. Well, not my life, but in my work. So these are the set of embossing tools that I got. I was trying to do the ink pen transfers on the jelly plate, and it just wasn't working for me. So I thought maybe if I had some embossing tools that I could make better marks. So we're gonna try these out. They come in a ton of different sizes. Like that one was medium, sort of a medium one. This one's really, I probably should come in just, I'm not sure if you guys can even see that, but that one's more scratchy. And the idea is that we'll make these marks, and then this one's really fat. We'll see what works. I don't know if these little ones are going to show up as much as the bigger ones. It is much more gentle on the paper. I don't know which ones I like better. Let's try this really skinny one. The problem that I had with the pen was that it was just stripping the paper and wasn't really getting enough indent. But this one you can see is really indented. I think the skinny ones are not going to work. I feel like this medium one and the fat one. Of course, you can't just order one. They don't come in one. They come in sets. This was the smallest set I could find on Amazon. Okay, that's probably enough. Okay. Okay, it sort of worked. It didn't really work, but I'm going to take off some of this paint here at the top. We're going to try it and see. Okay, let's put this down and see what happens. See if any of those lines came through. I just don't get why I can't do this. Okay, it absolutely did not work. Hold on one second. I put a little bit of matte medium on there. I'll try it again. I mean, something's on there. This may be just a technique that I can't use. I don't know. The person who I saw do it made it look so easy. This is what I mean about trial and error. You know, a lot of people are, some people are having problems with the image transfers, and I'm just, you know, it's just trial and error like this. This is what you do. Okay, that did not work. Okay, so now we have that. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to wet this paper down just a little bit. Oh, some of the paint's lifting. That's good. Maybe I can get some of that off. Yeah. We're going to go in with some sepia right here at the bottom. I'm just going to color shape it out. I like these colors together. It's not too dark yet. I'm trying really hard, guys. I'm trying really hard not to just throw black on it. But I'm not going to do that. That's being lazy. I don't want to be lazy. Okay, I kind of like what's going on here. Okay. Okay, I've got out this Kiritaki Venetian Red, which is a little different than the orange we usually use. I'm just going to put some of that here. Oh, it's really brown. It's nice, though. I wonder if I could do this whole painting with just the color shaper. Maybe that should be the goal today. No, that's probably not going to happen. Okay, I do like that, but I think I still want it to be more like some orange, maybe that blue color. Okay, so I pulled out this shadow green from Kiritaki Art Nouveau set. I'm just going to add a little bit of that in here. And some spots. Feels very rusty, very industrial. You know what I mean? I kind of like that. And then this is the Mars Yellow, which is very orangey and kind of separating, which is weird. I need to buy a new, smaller color shaper. I say that every time I use it, it doesn't like a broken record. I kind of just want these to be like sort of spots of almost rust. You know what I mean? Oh, I like that. I like that. Some more of that orange, like right there. I feel like I should put some more, maybe one spot like right here. And maybe right there. That's our third spot. Okay, let's go in with this stencil and add. Oh, that's way too much. I made a blob. Nice. Okay, we gotta get rid of that blob. try to do something with it. Or we'll just leave it. Blob wants to be there, blob will be there. It's just a blob now. There's nothing I can do. I'm trying the sponge today. So I think it gives a little bit more nuanced look to it. And I kind of want to bring, I feel like I want to bring this all the way up to the top here. Maybe. Let's just get in there and see what happens. I like that. Maybe we could fix our blob over here with just a little bit more, maybe some details. Oh, that's better, I think. I don't think we're going to use the other stencil today. I'm not sure, though. And I have a ton of black that I spilled. So, I thought I might add in just some bits of darkness up here. Because I don't like to waste paint. But then I also don't want to use it just to use it kind of thing. You know what I mean? I don't want. Okay, little ink tints in the blue, Payne's gray. I can't see that. That's weird. There we go. Some water on it. Okay, this is it. Final piece. I'm really liking how soft and hard I can make that acrylic ink. And I love this sort of the watercolor on top of the ink. I think that looks really cool. This is the carbon black, which is a color from Golden Fluid Acrylics. And I like how that sort of even acts like ink. Yeah, I think this is good. I like it. I like it. It's subtle in a way, but I kind of like this rusty, grungy, industrial vibe that's coming off of it. It's almost like it's a boat or a piece of lead just laying there. Let's look at it with a mat. And here it is with my dirty mat. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here if you want to see another video. And I will see you tomorrow for day 29 of the 100 Day Project. Thanks so much. Bye.